everyone. Hope you're having a great day. This is Phyllis with Creative Dominica. So I wanted to come on. I got another little goodie package ready, and I'm going to show you what's in here. So let's take all these goodies out. So, of course, I always include a piece of double-sided scrapbook paper. You could do what you want with that. So I have one of our beautiful clusters again, and let me grab my journal. Okay, we're going to use the same one, and then I'm going to grab a different one too. But see, I love these little clusters. You could use them. You could use them just like this. You could glue them to your page. It really makes the page pop. You could even put it on this band here. This little pocket, narrow pocket. There's a million things you could do with these. You could get those little tiny decorative paper clips, like the Tim Holtz mini paper clips, and you could paper clip it on. You could even, the back is not finished, but it's not meant to be because this is meant to really be glued. But what you can do is you can put a piece of scrapbook paper. Like, I got a lot of these vintage looking sheets of paper, so you could easily cut a piece of that out and put it on the back if you want, and you could journal on it. But I like just keeping them like this because most times I just glue mine down on the page because I love how that looks. So this one has little beads on it, and it has some sari fabric and some lace. So that's number one. Then number two is a little field note. It's like a little specimen card. And I have some ephemera on here. It has a little metal edge here. And then there's an adorable little owl. And again, you could paper clip these guys. These are perfect for pockets or tuck spots. That's what I like using these for. And so you could just put him in here. Or if you want to put a pocket up on the top, you could have him dangling over. A lot of possibilities for those. And then I gave you this, and it's folded, but you can't see the folds, so you should be okay. So this is going to be a great belly band or a pocket. So you could either put it there and glue it, make a belly band, or you could cut it in half and just use part of it for decoration. So we have that. Now this one's adorable. This has a cute little dangle on it, and it's a pocket. I mean, in here, you could put other things in here, but what I've included in here is this adorable little, it's like an egg shape, and it opens, and you have two journaling papers in here. And I love these things. These are really fun to make and to use. And so that just sits in this little pocket, and you could add other things in there. This is pretty double-sided paper, and so this needs to have a bigger journal. But you could certainly put it on the side if you'd like. That's just how it was made. But these are adorable too. And then another corner. I love these corners. And so this would just go on your page, and it just sits on your page. And you could add some other embellishment like lace or things like that. But I wanted to keep them sometimes a little bit plain so you guys could add things to it. And then you could certainly, oh, here are these little paper clips that I was talking about. So these are those little Tim Holtz paper clips. So these are great for like putting these type of things on your pages. Just holding it on your page like that. So yeah, so you could decorate the back too. That's going to be great. Now these guys, these came so cute, and when I did the video, I got a lot of people ask, oh, I love these, you know, and things like that. So these have the little metal corners, and so you can put this in your book. You can glue it down if you don't mind losing the back, but I just like paper clipping these, or putting these actually in a pocket. Let's see if I have a pocket that these will fit in. I mean, I like to have the pocket on the bottom of the page for these. Here, like this. I like putting these in here like that. And then, when you open this, you have a secret journaling spot on both sides. So these are a lot of fun. And then this just goes right back in here. And when you line it up, you can't even tell. So they're adorable. I love these things. And so this is gonna, oh, and then the last thing, again, these circles. And I love these because you could just put your glue in the back and just have this as a tuck spot, or you can use it, you can make a hole here, put an eyelet through that, have some dangles hanging, use it as a bookmark. You can use it as a tag and just put the tag in a pocket. And I've left this so you could do some journaling on the back. All right, so this is going to be the second lot. And we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus you have the little circle. So you have about 8 in here, but I'll call this one set. So this is going to be in the shop, guys, and I'm going to post this video so you could see exactly what you will be getting with this pack. All right, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like these things, because I'm going to be putting more of them in the shop. So listen, guys, thanks for watching, and until next time.